What's good, guys? Behind me is a Ram 3500. We're gonna put our seat covers in there, get it looking right. Let's get her done. All right, so inside the vehicle, the interior looks beautiful. We do have cloth seats here. Everything else is leather. We're gonna update that, throw the leather seat covers on, make it look good. Let's get her done. Here's that plain interior on this 3500. I cannot wait for you guys to see the transformation. All right, first thing we're gonna do, pop that headrest off, just like so. Now we can slide the seat cover down the seat. You might have to wiggle a little bit, but you'll get it on and it'll look nice and tight. Then we shove the buckles through the crease, fold that down, send the buckles underneath and clip them in the back. Then we zip the zipper, button on top, and put the headrest on, and just like that, you guys are done with your transformation. All right, guys, if you like the way that looked, check us out here at seatcoversolutions.com. Order a set for yourself, we'll get you right.